What's up guys, Shaquille here coming at you today. I'm here with Groomie, bringing you a few how-to videos on how to use your BaldiePro head grooming kit. First things first, assembly, the very first step. So you're gonna open up your package, you're gonna pull out this battery pack right here where all the power is, right centered here. What you're gonna wanna do is make sure this is charged. Got the cord right here, comes right in the pack with it. You're gonna have this little piece right here. Make sure you get a good look at that. And you're gonna attach it right to the bottom of the battery pack. Super, super simple. Attach to the motor, and then you're gonna take this end, plug it right into the wall, just like anything else. Doesn't take too long to charge, honestly. And the charge on this lasts absolutely forever. I still got over an hour on mine right now. So next thing we're gonna do, first things first, your razors, your electric razor head, right here. Best in the business. You're gonna take it, see that opening right there, and you're gonna take this end piece and attach like so. If you don't get it right at first, you can just spin it a little bit until you hear that click. Now, the power button on and off right here. On, you hear the razors revving and the engine going, the motor going, and then off. Super, super simple. And it'll also display how much battery life you have here. That way you're not running out mid-shave. Been there. All right, so you take this, pop it right off, just like so. Pulls right off, no problem. So next one we're gonna show on here, we got this little end piece. I like to use this for my edges in case I got a little bit left, or if your hair's a little longer and you wanna shorten it first, I highly recommend this piece. You're also gonna see attachments for lengthening guards in there as well. So this is the very similar, exact same situation. You're gonna put it on here until you hear that click, and then you attach it. Boom. Super simple, super easy. Now we got the nose trimmer. Same thing. Click it right in there, take the cover off, hit the power button. So that's the simplest way on how you're going to assemble your BaldiePro head shaver with all these different attachments. This also comes with an exfoliating brush as well, which is pretty awesome. Feels incredible on the face and the head as well. And that is your quick assembly. Now, what I also want to show you, which a lot of people might not know about, is the travel safety lock. I've thrown this, I travel with it absolutely everywhere, whether it's shooting a commercial, shooting a movie, no matter what it absolutely is. I wanna make sure this is not running the entire time it's in my luggage. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this power button, you just hold it for 3 seconds. Boom. It is now locked. To unlock it, also super simple. 3 more seconds, and then it's back on, and then you shut it off. So that's it, guys. That's the first how-to video. I hope that was really helpful. I try to break it down, keep it as simple as possible, but that is exactly how you assemble your BaldiePro shaving grooming kit. Peace.